Welcome back guys to the channel. I just wanted to say Happy New Year. 2022 has been a fantastic year. We had some new cars come out. The Traxxas XRT was one of them. Looking forward to see what comes out in 2023. Just want to say thank you to all the subscribers, to all the comments that you guys leave. I read every single comment. If this is your first time visiting this channel and you like RC stuff, subscribe down below. I'm just going to show some of my favorite highlights of 2022. Kind of try to cut off all the boring stuff and just kind of show you all the fun stuff. So sit back and enjoy the video. There's something I always wanted to try out, which is snowboarding. You guys want to try it? Make sure it's the fluffy snow. I mean, we'll go for a little bit. Today we're at the lake. I brought a X-Max crate in, and I also brought my skates. Yep, 20. So about 20, 21. It's pretty good. Oh, yo, now you're like, what the? Let's go back. We're about to do a race between X-Max, albeit on the skate, three-wheeler, and he's gonna go get a pit bike. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go. So this is probably one of the most exciting cars of 2022. Traxxas released the Sledge this year, and now we got the XRT. Dude, this thing flies through the air. Yeah, I think Arma did a really good job with this one. It has like the honeycomb looking kind of tires. It's quick, dude. I'm actually pretty impressed with this thing. Woo. Woo. There's like the one tree right here. You have to hit it. Oh. Oh, dang, dude.
What?
The cover open.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah, I should have taped it down. Hey, I thought whoever's driving goes in the water.
You are driving it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Cornering the track, the Spartan, you gotta be so careful though.
Like that?
Like that.
You good?
Oh yeah, dude, like hit my finger, dude. Oh. Yeah, this boat is fine. Dude, that thing corners so good. Ooh. Okay, we got the X-Max out again, and we got some new tires for it. So we got a Duratrax belted tires. Okay, so these are the not belted tires. And these are the belted tires. I think with the tires though, since they're belted, it's kind of harder to control in midair. see if we could do this hill climb right here. This truck is just perfect for sand. Like, I mean, this is what it's made for. This thing is awesome. I think we maybe broke the bumper in the front. Man, I love the look. I like the body. Just the body looks so cool. Check that out. So we got some wooden wheels on it. So we're just gonna try it out, see what happens.
Nice hop, bro.
Wheelies. Oh, shit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I know, look at the marks from the Baja.
You can see mine barely, like right there, I think.
Woo! Oh, sh. I mean, that's not too bad. Okay, so we're gonna do last race, but the Baja Ray is gonna get a jump start. So I'll start going, and the moment he sees me going, he's gonna go. Oh. Today we're going to be racing the pit bike versus the Baja Ray. And we got some other toys we might race.
Gear maybe, the thing just kept going.
Yeah, that thing just soaks up all the bumps. It just floats, dude. Dude, he almost like went into you.
I was like,
Oh, snap. Oh yeah, see, like, once there's mud, it just starts skipping. Yeah, maybe this way. Okay. Mud inside the tracks. They're not doing anything. Yeah, look at all that mud right there. I gotta go wash the tracks. Dude, no problem.
Butter, bud.
Well, let's see if I could winch you up. Okay. So right now, this is just the winch and slowly going up. So I'm gonna just drive back now. Brother, teamwork. Nice. So here's the kit. We got color orange. I think it just looks good with the green body. And here's just the different colors you could get. Try the reverse wheelies. Ooh. I think reverse wheelies are a lot easier than the front ones. Camera mount just keeps falling off because I should have put it right away before I got it dirty. Oh. We took off the cap, but I don't know I don't know where the cap went. It just flew. Yeah, X-Max looks fine. I picked it up for 110 bucks. It says it goes 35 miles an hour and it is brushless.
Why does it keep going towards you?
No, it's pretty fast, man. We just got some of the cars out, and we're just gonna be running this new layout that we're gonna be trying out. So we got 4 cars: Super Bahari, Fire Team, Crane, and X-Max. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, good luck finding the other cars. Oh man. Oh.
2, 3.
Close race. That was pretty close until that corner right there.
2, 3.
Damn, did you just like snap right into it? I'm telling you, this crane just loves trees. I mean, that didn't even look that bad. Yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys next time.